Hi, my name is Mark Cook. I work for Dalinghaus Construction. I'm a project consultant, and I've been working here for 5 years. Before that, I worked at a different foundation repair company since 2010, and so I've been doing this for quite a long time. Before I got into the foundation repair company, I worked for my dad, Craig, and he owned a civil engineering company based out of Riverside, California, and I did computer drafting and land surveying with him for about 10 years. I generally look at about 6 to 8 foundations throughout the Southern California area. I primarily focus on the Orange County and San Diego area, but I do drive out to Los Angeles and Imperial County and Riverside County. So I look forward to hearing from you and meeting you. And if you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to call, text, or email.